Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel MacTech, and today we'll discuss about a generic time plan format which is different from the mechanical part what I have discussed in the last videos. But yes, wherever we'll go for any new project or we'll plan for a new program, at the time definitely we need some time plan, this complete plan to execute how it will be and the step by step. So here we'll discuss about the time plan. It's a very generic format, and before moving forward, just we want to give the introduction of this format. So we have made it through VBA, Visual Basic for Application. It is a Excel format, and definitely you will get a different type of facilities and different type of interfaces in Microsoft project. But using a Microsoft Excel, how we can do that, that we will demonstrate here. So in this video only we'll see the how it works and what are the features we have done here. And next video, or based on the comment or the request, we'll go for the how it made, that means in detail of this Visual Basic codes and everything. So let's move into the topic and we'll start. So here we can mention this is the generic time plan format. So these are, you can edit or whatever things you want to do there. So it's a program, project name, who is the customer, what is the program run state, lead time, project leader who is doing this activity, budget estimation, what are the budget we are planning, and many more things. Whatever you want to, you can put it here. This is the basic format, so that it can be editable, that is can be customized. So next, coming to here's some add activity. We will go one by one. What is this icon, or what is this tag button? It is there. This is the command button, and this is the logo of your company. You can put it, or your channel. You can put it. What are things you need right now? Yeah, correct. So here we'll go for this plus sign, and here's the minus sign. That will show that why it is. Just let's click it in the minus sign. So yeah, see the unnecessary things or the things what it is not required in everyday basis while reviewing the time plan, while moving one by one step in the time plan, so that we can hide by putting this minus sign, and again you can put it plus sign to get it the things, so that is the complete, you can utilize your complete screen for this activities. So right now we'll put it the minus sign, and here just we have done a demonstration for how to do the one YouTube channel. This is where I put it here, but anyway, what are the activities you can put it, that you can put it here one by one, and you can make it happen in that way however you need. So now coming to the next, this is the activity start date. Here we have put the activity start date here. So this activity start date, once it can be changed, and once you change this thing, automatically this all features will be changed. And in the next end to video, we'll see that how it is changing all these things. Since once we'll click here, that it will take some time, and it will be refreshing all the events and everything on that. So next, coming to this is the again the minus and plus sign. Here you can put it minus. See in this case, what are the responsibilities there, and other parts which is not required for every time, similar to this top side how we have seen, that also it will be hide. So if the plus sign, then it will come the, what is the, this is called the predication, this is called responsibility, this is the completion of the work. So this all details it will be hide at the time. So before moving to the each and every activity, just we'll see that what are the headings are there. So here you can mention here, right, serial number. These are the activity serial numbers are there. These are the activities we have put it here, like that strategical planning for the YouTube channel. What is the topic selection, what is the topic we're going to describe in this channel, and how we can plan. So arrangement of equipments, that resource, like that you need some what are the equipments you need, like you need camera, mic, whatever things you can put it here. Next, come to trial videos. Definitely in the first video it is very difficult, everyone knows that one. So like that you can take 4 or 5 trials. The duration, how long it will take, that you can discuss here. The final video, when you put the final video editing, create a new channel in YouTube, that you have to put it a channel, then upload the video, share the link. So these are the activities you can put it one by one. That's fine. So now coming to this next is the plan versus actual. This is P by A. This plan versus actual. What we are planning and what is happening that we need to monitor day by day or it is on a weekly basis that we have to mention right way. So this is the lead time. Usually right now we have put it in the day basis, and you can put it in the whatever things you need based on your unit. And this is the start date, end date. This is called the predecessor, means when you are starting any activities, before that what activities should finish. So that's called the predecessor that you can put it. And whenever you take this example and we'll fill it, we can elaborate all these details. This is the responsibility, especially who is the responsible for which activity that we need to mention here. This is the completion of work, how much percentage we have completed the activity that we need to mention. And this is any comments we want to put it, that definitely we'll put it here. Here in this top side, it is mentioned the critical events. What are the events like that? For example, we are doing some activity at this final video is the one activity, one event we are saying that this is the milestone we need to achieve. So that date we can put it here. What are the milestones or the special events dates, and it will come like this. So there are 5 event dates we have put it here. Since this is a customized Excel sheet, what are the things you can put it, the how many events you want, you can put it. There's no issue. Next to that, this is the month. What are the months there? In that, you can partition is there. This is the months. This is the weeks, based on starting from the week 1 in the January first, and the next is up to 52 in the December, like that. This is the day, and this is the date. So these are all the details of the basic of this time plan. Now we'll come to the how it works and what are the features it is here. Coming to first activity, this is the strategic planning for the YouTube channel. So we're assuming that we have started this activity with 1st of July. So right now I will click it here. One pop-up it will come. This is the calendar pop-up it will come. So this it will come on the day, and by default it will highlight whenever we have put it the activity start date. So we will put this 1st of July. Correct. So the lead time of this one, just we have planned that it will take 10 days, example. So in this case, it will automatically calculate and it will give the what is the end date, and based on that, it will start the blue. Blue means it is the plan. Okay. Before moving to this activity, just one thing we can give the example right way. Here the interval that is in days. What are the interval we are going to take? In the sense, if we'll go for 2 days interval and put the 2 days interval, that means all the activities what we are planning, it will be come a 2 days interval, means it will start from first, then go to this 3, then it will come 5, like that it will start this one. You can put it 1 day also if your complete duration of the activities or complete duration of your program is 1 month, 2 months, that you can put it per 1 day basis. If you are going for any long-term project, that is 1 year, 2 years project, in that case it's very difficult to manage one by one. The time plan, it will be very lengthy. In that case, you can go for 2 days, 3 days, or weekly also. You can go for the 7 days. You can put it here. In that case, you will find all the intervals. It will come in the form of these small boxes, and the activities completion also it will be managing the right ways. So it is refreshing completely. That means the complete days and everything it will be changing. So this all this codes it is running in the back end of this application. So that's why it is taking some time. But since it is not always changeable things, that means once you will change, that means we no need to change it again and again. During the project start time, definitely you need to manage all these things. So what we discussed here, the start date is there, 1st of July, then it comes the 3, then 5, 7, 9, 11, like that. So that means the 1st July we have start this activity, it will take 10 days. So up to 11 July it will be completed. So here it is showing that up to 11 it should be completed. So next, coming to the next activity, here we'll use the predecessor. That means once the planning has been completed, then you will go for the topic selection, for example. So in that case, you will put the here 1. That means the 1 it is coming from here. This is the serial number. and it will take the start date of this one. So now it is coming the 12th of July. It is taking the, this is the start date. That means when this ends, it will come to the start date of this one. So right. So here we will put the plan date again. The lead time we are planning for 7 days, for example. Up to 19th of July, it should complete. So next, coming to arrangement of equipments, but in this case here the equipment arrangement topic selection, you can do it parallel, for example. Then you can go for the again the one, that is the same predecessor you can use here. So it will come here. So same, this is 11th, so it will come the 12th July. Here we can put it at 15 days. So here 15, this is parallelity is started and it will move up to 15 days of this one. So similarly, you can go for then the trial video or the tech trial. Once the equipment will be along with you, then you can take the trial video. So definitely the predecessor should be 3. That means this is the 3, it will come the 3. Yeah. So here again, we will take the trial video. We have taken 5 days for this one. And here we will go for again this 4th. That means the end date of this one, it will come here. And here we can put it here 2 days. Similarly, video editing, that will come after final video, will go for the video editing. So it's a 5th, and editing time, since first time you are doing, then take it 5 days for this video editing. So creating a new channel, that will be 1 day activity. So okay, similarly we have put it 1 day activity, but we have mistakenly put it 1. That is, it is taking the strategical planning, so it will start from here itself. So definitely it should come after this video editing only. We are planning, for example. So you can go for 6th. Again, you can change it at any time. Yeah, this is the 11th August, then it will 12th August and 13 days. So upload of the video, let's take time, 2 days, and you can put it here the 7, the predecessor. It does not matter that how we are putting it, first you are putting the predecessor or first you are putting the lead time, but yes, it will work for a similar way. So share the link to social media to watch your video and understand what you want to show the things. So here you can put it 8, and you take 10 days for the complete. Here one thing you can notice, for example, we are putting the check the comment after this the 9th. Once then you put the 9th, and see here only the start date it will come after putting the 9th. There is no end date. Still we have not decided how many days it will take. So there is no end date. It will come once you will plan that I will check it for the 5 days. So definitely it will come to the next how it will. Okay. Now it came the 2nd of September. So if you, anytime we are going to delete no the date or the delete time not yet finalized, again it will come to the backstage. So similar way, so there will be no date, it will come until unless you have put some lead time here. So here we'll put it 5 days, whatever earlier we have put. similar way. So we'll go for her 10th is the date, and here we can put the improvement plan, uh, 10 days. So next we will finish it putting 11th, and the next video will set, and it will take 15 days for this video stream. For example, at any stage you have forgot to put the any activities. So already we'll have, this is only 12 activities are there. Sometimes you'll get around hundreds of activities, but whenever you are thinking that in between that there should be some activities what already we have missed, so that we need to put it again. So for example, here is the we have put the video editing, and we want, before video editing, just we want to put it final video watch or final video rectification, whatever maybe we want to put it here, for example. So here, that earlier we are told that we'll go and we'll discuss what is the importance of this add activity. Right now it will work on that. It will ask here, do you want to add video after video editing? Yes. So here, do you want to add activity after this video editing? So this is the video editing, and it will say, do you want to add it? Yes, we want to add it here. Just click it yes. So after video editing, it will come in this way. So now, in this case, just one thing you can see here, the activities what we have considered, the dates, the predecessors, also it will be the similar way how we have put it here. Means the create a new channel in YouTube, it is still it is the video editing. So this addition of this activity, it will not impact to the subsequent activities, since we have planned some activity based on in the previous activity. If it will change, then everything it will be changed one by one, so that it will remain same. This will act as a independent activity. If you want to add that activity, then you have to change one by one, since the system cannot decide that this activity whether it is independent or dependent with others. Once you will give the input, it will work accordingly. And for example, you will say video check. So here we'll let it, we will put the video checking, and this is 2 days it will take for the video checking. And here we'll put it the same one chapter on the 6. So these two activities, for example, it can be happening parallelly. The video, you can check the video, and parallelly you can do the new channel, so that you can put it here. So again, you said, oh no, sorry, it's wrongly I mentioned here that the video checking is not required. This is the additional things what you are putting it here. Then you can delete the activity. But before deleting, same way it will ask, do you want to delete activity that is video checking? Yeah, we want to. Now it is deleting the activity. Correct. So similar way, again it went to the similar way. What are the activities there? Likewise it is there. So this is the basically the buttons, add activity and delete activity. Now coming to the responsibility, you can put Mr. XX whatever maybe. So you can put all these activities what is. Now coming to the completion, the completion percentage. So before moving to completion, let's just it should come to in mind why this are the red, why it is coming the red into this one, and other things are in the black. Yes, this is the red. Why? Right now the date is 1st of August. Today date what I'm saying, and we're doing this video. So at 1st of August this activity should start, but still it hasn't started. Means this is 12th of July. We're putting here 12th of July, but still this activity has not started. Once you will see the time plan, once you'll open the time plan, then automatically it will take the highlights where you need to put your concentration, where you have to see and where we are lagging. So these are the lagging points, you can say. 3rd of August, it's there 2 days ahead, so there's no issue that can be start later, but this activity should start. There's a delay in this activity, that's why it is put in the red way. So let's put in the plan versus actual. For example, we have put it 10, and we have started this activity exactly the same date. This is the 1st of July. It will come the 1st of July. What are the plan date? By default it will highlight, and once you click it here, to this one, it is coming here. So now, for example, we'll put the 100%. This is completed. So coming to the next here, just to start date, it will be same to 12th of July. Here it's highlighting 12th of July. The 12th of July started. Then it will automatically it will be red. Means I'm saying that this activity is started in the exact date. There's no issue. You can put it here. And the date what you mentioned here. So it is. For example, it has taken quite long days. It's 15 days it has taken to complete this activity, the topic selection. Yes, now it will show in the red since already it is delayed. So it will take 15 days. So this all this it will come to the red. But still, if you are saying that yes, it is still it's not completed. 15 days we had planned, and still it is not complete. It is complete up to 80% or 70%, for example. Now it will show that 70% activities it is completed. So this is on the yellow, that means the work in progress, and this completion percent is 70%. Still it is not completing. That means we have taken the 15 days the revised plan, still it has not completed, so it is coming the yellow. Once you will put it 100%, that means this has been completed. So it will see that it's 100%, and so it will be completely red. And also it will highlight here, that means some activities were in delay, that means it is going ahead. Similar way, we can do all these activities in the nest by nest. So this will give the basic same pattern to all these activities. And next, coming to the critical events, how it is working here. So here just we are putting the critical event. For example, the 3rd of August, the final video. I'll put the 3rd of August. Sorry, this is 3rd of July. Okay, for example, it's the 3rd of July. See, here you can see there's something different. You can see the different pattern is there. That means the 3rd of July here it is. There is in that day 3rd, 4th, 5th in nearby dot the LG. Some mark is there, some events are there that you need to be careful on that you have to achieve the milestone. So it will be coming throughout the plan, and it will be highlighting. So next you can say this is coming on it's in August. So you can take the 10th of August, it is taking some, or yeah. So here the same, the 10th and 11th, so it will come into this border exactly. So here the 10th of August is again, it is coming to similar way. So there are the 5 events we have considered. Event 2, event 3, event 4. For example, event 4 it's there. Just to click, then the calendar will pop up, and it will, you need to put the what event it should be. So here you can put the September. and we are putting the 10th of September. So this is the 9 and 11. This is in between that the 10th of September it will come. So 10th of September is highlighted that this is another event where we need to meet the time plan and meet the activity plan and likewise. So that whenever you will start reviewing and it will highlight. Coming to the reviewing point, here you can see there is a red color line is there. So this is the reviewing date. So by default we have put the today's date. You can put it for example uh, 5th of 5th of August. You can put it here. August 5th. So see, it will come here 4 and 5th. This will come the August month, and this is highlighting this year. So this is the date where we're going to review the things. What are the things we're going to do it, right? Hope this video is clear to all how this works and how it is giving the idea what are the things we can do it here and how easy it can be. Definitely I need your support and I want to understand what better it can be happen. See, in VBA or any programming software, whatever things we want we can do it, but think that we have to think up to what level we want to put it here. So definitely we have to plan and we have to take this up to that level, and I need your comments. Based on that I can proceed further and we can have a detailed discussion also how we have made this program. So for example, just I will give in basic detail of what is the program I have made it here. So this is the program what I have done it here for this to execute the backend program. It's not only this program, there's a lot of things also there. We have made some form and we have done some other things. This is the calendar form how it is coming, and all these modules also to support the other things. So this is the basic details of this time plan activities, and hope it will be helpful for you. And if we want to create that, how the step by step, what are the program we have used in VBA, what are the coding we have used, what are the worksheet functions we have used in that one, please comment in this video in the link, and definitely we will try to solve one by one. Thank you for watching. Thank you.